Okay, that's 1, 2, 3, 4.
Elmo!
You scared the shit out of me!
What are you doing?
Measuring stuff?
Okay, well, I just have one question. What are you measuring that's that short?
I swear to God, I'm gonna fucking come to your room and I'm gonna slit your fucking throat! Say it again! Say it again!
Oh, I see what's going on. You're trying to measure your dick so you can get some girls. Elmo, you have the tiniest dick in the world, I gotta see.